Hey, it's Mike from Game World Engineer, and today is day 5 of Unity's Flash Deal sale, up to 70% off. So here's my top 10 assets for today's sale that are currently 70% off. We have from Cinti, first we have from Simple Apocalypse Cartoon Assets, is a massive pack of Polygon style assets from Cinti with the apocalyptic and it says massive in their screenshot because if you look down here you've got assets. It says there's 404 prop assets, 75 weapons, 40 and there's animations too. You get character animations, vehicle assets, zombies, characters, plenty of post-apocalyptic um, related assets. So normally it's 149. It's on sale for 45. Also from Cinti, we have the Polygon Construction low poly set. So construction workers, and it's only $15. And we get characters, character attachments, vehicles, construction vehicles, environment, um, dirt roads, driveway, curbs, etc., ground pieces, 300 props, 39 tools and items. This one does not have animations. It does not look like it. So, but you can use Mixamo animations with these as well. So, another good pack from Cinti. Next, we have the Invector third-person controller, the basic locomotion template. Now, they have a bunch of different templates, I think, with their controllers, but this one is the third-person controller, and it has the basic locomotion, advanced third-person camera system, sprint, jump, crouch and roll, vault, climb, or step up obstacles. Generic action system to trigger simple animations. There's a ladder system, a ragdoll system, and a footstep system. Some utility scripts, and it has demo scenes that are in isometric, 2.5D platformer, top down, and mobile. So it's pretty good even for a basic locomotion. Basic may mean that it's easy to use. Um, and they have tutorials as well. So check that out, $15 for the Invector third-person controller. It's a cheaper alternative to possibly the Opsiv. I don't know how it compares, but you might check it out for only $15. Next, we have Aura 2, volumetric lighting and fog, for only $14. This is worthwhile. You can, as it shows in the video, one click and it has presets to set up your environments with post-processing effects, and you've got fog and God rays and all types of different effects. So check it out. They have several different presets. Plus, you can also change the presets to your liking as well. And there's some tutorials online on how to use it. And actually, there's some people that made tutorials that use it as well that aren't from the developer, but you can search YouTube, and there's a good tutorial that someone made about it as well. Next, we have the Mech Combat Kit from VSX Games. Allows you to, it's like a template for a mech combat game. So you can make um, a mech type game with this, like a mech warrior type game. Um, and it has rigid body controller. There's jetpack capability, weapons and loadout systems, radar system, health and damage, resource system, AI system for enemies, objectives, and there's a pooling system, rumble system for camera shakes and gamepad rumbles, and a vehicle module system. Mech enter exit, so you can have a character that exits and enters the mech. And they say much more. It looks pretty good for $15 if you're looking to make a mech game. Next, from Aquarius Max, we have the Ultimate Fantasy Creator. So it's another from Aquarius Max that has like a fantasy environment. So we have all these type of fantasy environments. He had this pack a while back. It's one of his older packs, but it seems like it's gotten a texture upgrade since then. So this is the updated version of that. Plus you get two other packs with it, which is the trees pack and the furniture set pack. So the original was called the Dungeon Explorer Kit. So now it's called the Ultimate Fantasy Creator. So if you need for a fantasy environment, modular fantasy environment, give us a look for $15. Next, from More Mountains, we have the High Road engine. And More Mountains makes several different engines, like the Corgi engine and the top-down engine for different types of games. This one allows you to make racing games, arcade-style racing games. So looks like you can do like a top-down perspective or for a third-person perspective based on what's in this video. And yeah, so it allows you to make these type of games. Um, their stuff is usually really good, and it includes all the source code so that you can learn how it's all put together. And looks like there's a boat ability to do boats too. So complete documentation and fully commented code as well. So you're meant to take this and look at the code and see how it works and be able to create your own game with this engine. So looks pretty good. Next, we have the Cilantro Flight Simulator Toolkit, which is an advanced flight simulator simulation toolkit. So you can have planes in your game. So if you're looking to make a flight simulator type of game, you should look at this for $20. It's pretty good. And the only thing is, you only get one plane that comes with it, the Cessna. The other planes that you might see in some of their other screenshots are in the videos. Those are like separate, like this boat, this airliner one. It does not come with it. So just be aware of that. This is the actual the simulation physics. You have to supply the aircraft, um, the models for the aircraft, so you'll have to find those somewhere else. There's some free models on the asset store. Like I found a couple of free glider models. And it does support gliders as well as engine aircraft as well. So any aircraft type, from subsonic or supersonic jets to propeller-powered airplanes or unpowered or powered gliders. So it looks pretty good. You could use it with it comes with one Cessna, so you could use it with that as well. So next, we have Paint in Editor, and it does exactly what it says it sounds like, and allows you to paint directly in the Unity editor. So it's like a 3D painting solution. It allows you to paint on objects in the editor itself instead of having to go out to a separate 3D program to paint textures on an object. So for $18, it might be worth your while if you need something like that. And number 10 is Breeze Advanced Character Behavior. This is for $12.90. It allows you to create AI for your games. So different types of AI, a shooter AI, there's a companion AI as well, and allows you to set up all types of different AIs. Melee AI, let's see, shooter AI, and in the video, it shows like a companion AI as well. There's all these different features to set it up, and I don't, and it has a bunch of integrations with other assets as well, like Invector and GameKit controller, FPS engine, working on OpSiv integrations, and so says to use them. Yeah, they're already works with A-Star Pathfinding Pro as well. So this looks pretty good. I already had this from a previous bundle, I think. So I mean, this has been offered before in bundles, I think. I'm not sure how I got it in my account. It must have been in another bundle that they had previously, but if you don't have it, $12.90 is all it is right now for today. So that's all I have for today. Tomorrow I'll be back with day 6. And like, subscribe, and comment down below, and we'll see you in the next one.